Welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So as a YouTube content creator, whenever we're thinking about creating video content, we're normally going to be thinking of using two main tools. One is our smartphone and the other one is a camera. But today I'm going to be showing you how you could practically create all your YouTube video content by simply using your laptop. So let's go ahead and get into my laptop and start creating some content. So the first and easiest way to use your laptop as your main content creation machine is to simply use the webcam that's already built into your laptop. Now, even though you're not going to get the highest video quality available, it's still going to be good enough because the majority of people watch their YouTube videos on their smartphone or on their tablets, and even if you watch it on a bigger screen like a television, it's still going to be watchable. Then the second benefit is setup, because there's practically no setup involved. The camera's already positioned in the right place where your face is in the frame, and if you want a better audio quality, you can simply use something like earbuds, plug it into your mic jack, and you're good to go. So this is so much simpler than you having to hold your smartphone or camera, having to get a tripod or gimbal, and then all these other complex setup. All you have to do is turn on your webcam and then start recording. And so that is the first and I think easiest way for you to start creating content with your laptop. And so the second way you could use your laptop to create content is by doing YouTube Live or Facebook live streams. This is really powerful because with your laptop, you could do all the things that you would need to do a proper live stream, whether it's your webcam to show your face or this screen right here where people could see exactly what you are talking about. And so it gives a level of interaction and flexibility that's really hard to match. And since all of this is live, you don't really have to worry about editing your video later if you didn't want to. And so that is my second favorite way to use my laptop to create content.
For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool used at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.
And so the number one way in which you could use your laptop to create all your content is by doing screen recordings. And this is by far my favorite method because it allows me to create these tutorial type videos, whether I'm showing people how to use a video editor, or maybe I'm showing them how to use their machine, or maybe I'm showing them how they could use their laptop as a content creation machine. It's all available here in one place. Plus, I could do all my video editing and publishing right here. So those are my top three main ways in which you could use your laptop as your primary content creation machine. And it just goes to show that you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to get started creating content. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see how I did all these screen recordings by using OBS, I do have an entire playlist for that. I'll leave that in the description as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe.
Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group where you'll get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.